Alright, so let's see, I got this package here. Got this when I was on a little road trip. Had to get it signed for. So let's see. From Thailand. Monkey European taillight and turn signal plus a relay. So that's how much it costs in Thai. So it was pretty expensive. It was like $400 or something like that, or a little bit over $400 with the shipping. There's a lot of parts. Didn't realize there was so many parts. Let's see, collar winker, and you can see the part numbers here. So I believe this is for the turn signals. When you put the Euro turn signals on, they're a little bit different. I guess this is probably the adapter or something, or sort of like a socket sort of for it. So there should be 4 of these. Well, actually, here we go. Here's this is the rubber winker mount. This one was called what? The collar winker. So this actually would plug into this, which this will attach to the stock. The stock of the turn signal. So another one. There should be 4 of those, I think. So this is the relay. No, yeah, this is the relay. For the blinkers. So that's cool that it's a Honda relay, not some cheap aftermarket relay. Some cheap aftermarket. Let's see, what do we have here? Base rear tail light. Oh, okay, so that's the tail light. Let's look at the number, part number. So remember, this is the whole kit, so you need everything here if you want to run the stock, the Euro or JDM lights, tail lights, and turn signals. So this is the little housing. It's plastic, chrome housing on the tail light. What's that piece? There's another piece. This is also the base, but this one is the top, I think. So there are 2 pieces: the rear tail light base and the front tail light base. So those are the 2 pieces that it does come together. And this piece right here was half round. So this piece I can also feel as well as half round as well. I'm not gonna take that off. So here's the tail light cover. I can feel it too. So this is round. So those I think those other 2 pieces actually snap onto this piece right here. So there's the part number. Okay, you know what? I'll take it off. Oh, yeah. So this is the other part. Oh, the other side. Just so you guys can see it. So there's the other side right here. It's also plastic. Nice and shiny chrome. But it's good that it's plastic. Well, plastic has a positive and negatives. The good thing about plastic chrome is that plastic chrome doesn't rust. Regular chrome rusts really easily. So I'm not a big fan of chrome usually. But plastic chrome never rusts. The only bad thing about plastic chrome is the plastic, it scratches easily. It's kind of soft. But then again, real chrome is sort of sensitive to scratching too. So it doesn't really make a difference. Plastic chrome is just lighter. So here's the bubble itself. Actually, let's look at that part number. Cover for the tail light. So there it is. It's in the bag. And these other 2 pieces were right, with the half rounds. So they were probably a mount, like something like on here or something. I'm not exactly sure how, but anyways, there's that. There's also plastic chrome, pretty nice. Those are the housing pieces. There's a little bracket right there. So that's the bracket, the actual mounting bracket, you know, the metal piece right here. So those plastic pieces will mount on here. There are two ends on here. The wings is where the tail light mounts into. Right, where this basically clips onto the little rubber mount and the winker mount. So that's part number. And obviously bolts, whatever bolts. So you got two of them. That's all the I believe that's all the rear tail light stuff. So I believe these are the turn signals and the rear signal themselves. So actually, let's look at these. So I think they're all different part numbers now. Let's see. 336, 337, 33650, 33450. Yeah, they're all different part numbers. So let's look at this one first. Let's see what's my knife. My knife here. So that's this part number right here. Let's see what this is. So obviously the turn signal. Smaller than the DOT turn signals. So there you go. I believe these are LEDs. Yeah, they are LED. I can see it. I can look right in here. I can actually see it. So it's a LED. Cool. So I thought they were incandescents. It's cool that they're LED. So this is neither the front or the rear. I'm not sure. Part number say again. The part number say Winker assembly right rear. So that's the right rear. Here's the left rear. Okay. Winker assembly left rear. So I'm not gonna open that up. So they should be, you know, those two are basically pretty much identical to each other. One, you know, obviously one's a left-handed, one's right-handed. Okay, so Winker assembly front adjuster. So that's actually different. That's not a. That sounds like it's a. Not sure what that sounds like. That sounds like something. So that's the blinker light. So that's the front blinker light. And why do they say adjuster? That's kind of odd name for it. So that's the front blinker assembly, right front left adjuster. What the heck does that mean? Left front tail light. So this is the. This should be the. So that was the right side. This should be the left side. Let's see, the part numbers are almost the same. So that tells me it's. Yeah. So that one mates just like the other one. So these are the front lights. You look at the rear lights. The numbers pretty much mates too, except for the 50 at the end there. At 50. So the front and rear were the. That's how they differentiate themselves between the left and right, which was that 50 number. So this one is the tail light. So we saw all the housing. So this one is the actual light itself. So I'm guessing this is also LED as well. That would make sense that everything would be LED. You know, I mean, the bike itself already has the headlights already are LED. And these lights, these turn signals are all LEDs, so this one should be LED as well, I believe. Yep, it's LED. Those four little things, you can see that? That tells me it's LED, and I'm looking in here through the plastic, and I can see it's LED. And there you go. So those are all the parts there. Yeah, so this was an expensive, very expensive setup here. Got directly from Thailand. This whole kit was like 400 and something. With shipping and everything was God, I was gonna say I think it's around like 450 or close to 450. So that's a lot of money. That's really a lot of money. Yeah. So yep, I spent it. I spent that money. Okay, so stay tuned for the install video. I'm gonna do that hopefully soon, within the next week or so. All right, thanks for watching.